Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching Approaching Driving. And this is vlog number 2. Yeah, I never finished editing yesterday's vlog, but I did start it. I didn't actually even have time to watch the videos from yesterday, but I'll finish it up and start uploading them. Not super early morning, but still morning here in GTA, 0 degrees Celsius at the moment. Still some snow. March 2022. Hopefully this video is not going to be uploaded next month, but it shouldn't be. Still sleepy, so I don't even know what to talk about. Any car news? I think oil prices are gonna go up. They've been going up anyways, and now with everything that's going on in the world, they might go even more. So maybe we might see even more alternative fuel vehicles. Probably specifically electric vehicles, more of them. Well, this is how my day is starting. I'm gonna continue driving to my work, and we'll see where this video leads us. So stay tuned and continue watching the video. But I'm still here. Hello everyone, I'm back. Last video was with the narrowest angle that's available on the GoPro. Not the latest GoPro, but the one I have. And then today I'm going a bit wider. I think it's called linear. And then the other one is super wide or something. So we'll see how this one goes today. Day is going fine, little by little. A little bit of first person view, POV. Car's POV, not drivers. Drivers, I guess, would be the one on the left. This is more centered. My day is still going well. It warmed up even more. It was 0 degrees, now it's, well, it was 4, it's 3 at the moment, which is still warm. As you can see, I'm not in a jacket anymore. Yeah, it's getting more and more that we have days when you take off your jacket and you don't wear it outside. Good. End of February, starting to warm up. I can't wait for the summer. Yeah, it's a bit busier today. I'm probably not gonna get any time to read, and probably not gonna get any more time to film anything else. Yeah. But I'm gonna start planning car content and car topics that I'm gonna be talking about in those vlogs. It might not start, obviously it's not gonna start in this vlog, might start in the next one, or might not even start in tomorrow's, but sooner or later more and more car topics, of course, are going to be popping up here. Yeah, but for now it's like this. Hello everyone again. My day is still going, and hopefully still going well. I'm gonna mount the GoPro on the front of the car and film a little bit more footage from there. well, this is how it goes. Lol. It's a disco in here. Well, I'm gonna continue with my day and continue filming more.